This video starts with a picture of some mergansers. There's a male, the other one was the female. Eventually you'll see that the male is hanging out with two females. That's a female. It's amazing how different they look. And it's always nice to watch mergansers. There's pictures of one. I don't know why it's got two females with it, but the winter agglomerations are never paired off. For some reason, the day I took these, there was a lot of preening by woodpeckers. We start you off with a flicker. And this is a downy woodpecker preening, sitting right at the top of a broken off tree. Both of the woodpeckers in this video are sitting on dead branches, which is normal habitat for them because that's where the insects are.